Last video. Jahira, say hi. Oh, it's so dark. So dark. I got cut off because it rained. I'm enjoying some hazelnut cappuccino. So, when I was outside, it rained on me, and I couldn't finish my video because when I ran in the house, the video had cut off. The video had cut off, and it was already starting to upload. So, look, we got boards at the window. This is the kitchen window, but it doesn't cover the entire window. Oh, there it is. You see outside. It doesn't cover the entire window. It's currently raining. No. You can see Jahira. She's a goofball. She's a goofball. But it is currently raining and the wind is like so strong out there. So, yeah. That's pretty much where we stand right now. Let me see what I want to show you. Okay, I found what I wanted to show you. So this is my brother's obituary that I made personally. It wasn't on this type of paper. This is like computer paper, but it was like a different type of paper. This is like a rough draft of it. This part